Today we are working on our farm to table. So I have some fresh corn that we picked and shucked, and so I just need to wash it. And so I'm going to lay out some paper towels, and I'm going to wash it really well, and then I'm going to set it on the counter here. And we're going to have it for dinner tonight with some barbecue ribs and baked beans and that pasta salad that I made. So you need to take your veggie brush and make sure you scrub the ears of corn really well, getting any extra silks off and any bad spots that may be on the corn. And while you're washing, you can have a stock pot of water on high, so you don't put the corn in until it starts boiling. So now my corn is all washed and ready to go. And I just need to wait until my water is at a rolling boil before I put it in. My water is now at a full boil, and so I'm going to put the ears of corn inside the boiling water gently, and then I'm going to set a timer for 5 minutes. So my timer is about to go off, so I have a plate here with some paper towels, and I will use some tongs to get the corn out once the timer goes off. And they will have been in there for 5 minutes. And with corn on the cob, you will eat it off the cob. And we like butter and salt and pepper in ours. And we use these little dishes, and it kind of helps hold the butter from getting all over your plate when you're eating it. So there's the timer. You're going to carefully pull each cob out of the water, and then you're ready to eat.